Hey everyone, and welcome to Kids World. Have you ever seen a sentence like this? Let's eat grandma. Whoa, that sounds a little scary, doesn't it? But what if we add just one tiny little mark? Let's eat grandma. Phew, now it's an invitation for grandma to join us for dinner. See how powerful that little squiggly line is? That, my friends, is a comma, and today we are going to become comma masters. So, what exactly is a comma? Think of it like a little pause button in your sentences. It tells a reader to take a quick breath, which helps make everything clearer and easier to understand. It's like a traffic signal for your words. One of the most common places you'll see a comma is when you're listing things. For example, if I went to the store, I could say, I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We use a comma to separate each item in the list. Without the commas, it would be I bought apples, bananas, which is just a jumble of words. So, when you're listing more than two things, pop a comma between them. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about joining sentences. Sometimes you have two complete ideas that you want to link together. We can do this using special joining words like and, but, or so. When you use one of these words to connect two full sentences, you put a comma right before it. For instance, I wanted to play outside, but it started to rain. We have two complete thoughts. I wanted to play outside and it started to rain. The comma and the word but joined them together perfectly. Hey, if you're having fun and learning a lot, make sure you hit that subscribe button for Kids World so you don't miss any of our amazing learning adventures. Alright, back to our comma quest. Commas are also super useful for adding extra information to a sentence. This extra bit is called an appositive. That's a big word, but the idea is simple. For example, my dog, a fluffy golden retriever, loves to play fetch. The phrase a fluffy golden retriever gives us extra details about my dog. It's not essential to the sentence, so we wrap it in commas, like a little hug, to show it's just bonus information. You could take it out, and the sentence, my dog loves to play fetch, would still make perfect sense. Finally, let's look at introductory phrases. Sometimes, a sentence starts with a little phrase that sets the scene. For example, after school, I do my homework. The phrase after school tells us when I do my homework. We put a comma after these introductory phrases to separate them from the main part of the sentence. It gives the reader a nice, smooth start. Here's another one. On a sunny day, we went to the park. See that little pause after day? That's our friendly comma at work again. So, let's recap our comma superpowers. We use them in lists to join sentences with words like and or but, to add extra details, and after introductory phrases. From let's eat grandma to let's eat grandma, we've seen how this tiny mark can make a huge difference. Practice using them in your own writing, and you'll be a grammar superstar in no time. Thanks for joining our comma adventure today. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below. Do you want a part 2 on more advanced comma rules? Or is there another grammar topic you want us to explore? Don't forget to subscribe to Kids World for more fun learning. See you next time.